Okay, good morning. This is our last day here at the beautiful Swan and Dolphin Resort. Now we head to Art of Animation, where we have never stayed before. We have stayed at Pop Century, which we like because it is on the Skyliner. The parks we are hitting up is Hollywood Studios and Epcot. We're doing Hollywood Studios extended hours, so technically we can be there from 8 a.m. till 12:30 a.m. That's a long day. We'll see how it goes. Follow along as we go to our next resort, Swan and Dolphin. I will say their mobile order was not working. What else happened? It's really hard to get dining reservations here, but luckily you have all those other options. But I will say mobile order wasn't working, and what else? I can't remember. The washing machine and that area was awesome. Pool area, awesome. People, their employees, very nice. Everything was great. Highly recommend this Swan Dolphin, especially if you're a Bonvoy member. Use those points, get the free nights, get the free upgrades. Stay tuned. Okay, first impression here. Now, here we go. Checking in and parking. Returning guests, keep right. Not returning guests, brand new, so you gotta check in because no one can just show up. So here we are. Okay, so there's a sign up saying because of capacity, which it's, it's spring break, makes sense. Parking lot is full and you must, guest drop off right lane, check-in parking straight. So I guess, don't want to hit the man. Here we are. Oh, look at, they put nice lines on the ground. So green must be like checking in with dashy red, like drop off. So that's good to know. You just say follow the green line or follow the red line. So here we are. Ooh. Art of Animation, AOA for short. Here we are.
Stays here.
This is the first, it is 11:45 and it is saying that we can go directly to our room. So here we are. It's telling us like you're on the Cars building, 2814 on the 4th floor of the Cars building. So we're just gonna head there. We didn't even have to go to the thing. Here we go. Here we are. I'm pretty sure our travel agent upgraded us because we were supposed to be in just a normal Little Mermaid room. Apparently we got a Cars family suite. I don't even know what is happening. This is amazing. So this is the walk-in. So this, I'm guessing, is a bed because it has handles, but it's also a table. So look at how nice that is. And then we got like little side tables that wheel around too. How awesome. This is all of our stuff. Sorry, my son's trying to figure out the Hey Disney app at the same time. This is the bathroom. First of all, great lighting. Let's just talk about this lighting. Oh yeah. Then we got a hairdryer down here.
Yeah. And
we got soap, we got enough towels.
Then if you open this up, you can see.
Yes. Oh my goodness. We got the fire department, but look at this. Look at the bubbles in the tile. So this is a bath, but a shower. It has the bathing suit hook. We have the H2O products. Oh no, they're not H2O. It's just Disney. Oh, they just slapped a sticker on top. Gotta appreciate that. And we got some hooks back here, which is nice. Okay, then let me continue this tour. So coming out of that bathroom, here's that trundle bed. So this is for 5 because I have no idea. I gotta message my travel agent because Laura, I'll link her in this video. But so this is like a family room. We got a kitchenette. We got a microwave. Do we got bowls and stuff? Yeah, and it's, oh my gosh, the compostable, which is my jam. We got an ice bucket, we got a sink. What's under here? Just stuff to dry. Oh, we got a paper towel. Then we got a nice size fridge, right? And then I wonder now if this is also a bed. So, first of all, let's talk about how this looks like at the interior of a classic car. It's the interior of him. The couch. This is what the seats and oh my goodness. What is his name again? Anybody comment below if you remember his name. He's Doc, right? Doc. Something.
I don't know.
Okay, and now my son is deciding to play with the Hey Disney. Miko is an adorable raccoon and companion to Pocahontas. True. Oh. So this is new to Disney. First of all, look at the cone lights. This is awesome. Here's our view. It's not that great, but guess what? I don't care. I don't care. This is another bed. So this is a family of 5. So this is a bed, that's a bed, then we have another one. So this is the television area. There's a lot of drawers here. I'm not gonna...
I just chose to talk to Becky.
This is so sweet. Okay, so there's a lot of storage in this room, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I will say, so this room is 2814. We are right beside the stairwell, so we don't have to worry. Oh, look at the closet space. How awesome is all this space? And then you can put everyone's shoes in here. This is awesome. Okay, so now this is gonna be my bedroom. Look at this. First of all, flooring. Second of all, space under bed, because there's nothing I hate more than luggage being in the way. I got cone wallpaper. I got a cone light. Ugh, I can't with this room right now. It is just so cute. Okay, then we have the cone wallpaper, like, hello. And side table here. Let's look at the charging situation. We have, I don't know what okay, they got 1 USB, 2 USB, and 2 plugs on each of these. So in this room total, there are 4 outlets, which is perfect for magic bands. Then let's check. You know I love to check the depth of a safe. Boom. Pretty deep. And definitely can fit a huge iPad. Definitely. And more, and look at this, more closet space. I love hanging things up. Okay, and then the final bathroom, which is just a shower. So this is straight shower. But once again, the same spiffy and a jiffy. I like how they have the garbage can attached. Ooh, they got one of these mirrors that just makes you see all your flaws. And we got hooks again. Oh, look it. This place is clean. This place is, OMG. So this is just a shower for the adult, I guess, bathroom.
Or like just
plenty of towels. Oh yes. A full-length mirror for your Disney fit check. So here is the tour of this room.
I've just been looking at postcards.
Whoops. Okay, we are gonna go ahead and get something to eat. We're Pixie Dustin. We were upgraded, so we are beyond excited and like humbled, and I honestly got like a little teary-eyed because we got to be in a car suite. So now we have that. I did a tour with the phone. We have a 2-bedroom room. Well, not 2-bedroom, but like a main suite. We got 3 beds for the kids, 2 bathrooms, a shower for me, tub shower for the kids or me. As you can see, a little kitchenette. Pull-out couch here that becomes a bed as well. Yes, we got the cones. We got the Hey Disney. Tell me the weather, Hey Disney. Or did I do it wrong?
79 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun.
There you go.
Please just say Hey Disney.
Yeah, and I asked for the weather. She gave me.
You don't say Hey Disney again.
Well, okay, whatever. I did it wrong. But we are not ones to not realize how awesome and special this means. And honestly, Disney, thank you. I can't even begin to express our gratitude. Like, look at this room. It's huge. It is huge. I got my own television. I can finally watch my own shows. There we go. So we're on the 4th floor, and our room is located right on the stairs. So yeah, so here's a little view. Not the greatest, but now we just gotta walk down 4 floors. There is an elevator, but how nice is this that we don't always have to take an elevator in and up? Plus, who doesn't want to get their Disney steps in? Because I'm about to eat some of my calories in Disney food. So these steps will just, everything doesn't count. It's just Disney calories don't count, and everything evens out, especially when you got a thingy. Okay, that wasn't bad, right? But look at this. We lived in Arizona for a year when my husband was with the Wildcats. And look, this, like, when I round this corner here, like, hello, Arizona. Oh my goodness. Look. We're gonna go to the main dining hall. We're gonna go to the animation hall, which apparently is straight ahead, in the Big Blue Pool. So let's figure out where we are. Because we have never stayed here. So we were supposed to be, like I said, Little Mermaid. I thought we'd be far. We are so close to the skyliner, and there's Pop Century in the background. So look at this. Oh my goodness. Like, look. Like, this is so, like, if you got, like, my kids, I'm blown away. Oh, there's cones at the pool. I wonder, I'm gonna find out, like, are those cabanas, or can you just get one? How do you get a cone? I want a cone. Okay, so look, Route 66, been on it many times. We got laundry, we got animation hall, and Finding Nemo. Well, that's where we're supposed to be. But look, I guess we're at the end resort. So let's go look and say hello to some car friends. Cool, Bodie.
I really think they're just normal chairs.
How do you get a cone? Just normal chairs?
Yes.
I want a cone. Oh, I can't with this right now.
I just want to get going and eat.
We got the wheel well. This is where we are. This is building 2 here. It's the giant tire. Easy to find. Okay, so here we go. Oh, okay. So here's by the pool here. This is like a quiet pool. And this is the way to the big blue pool, which I believe is the largest pool on Disney property. We got Tow Mater up ahead. And there's the building we're supposed to be on Little Mermaid, but like, I will take this. There's life jackets here at the pool. Like these cones, I can't even get over this, how awesome this is. And then what? I guess this is Cars Building 1. Whoa. Their building is Tow Mater's. What is it called?
There's a door.
Yeah, but what's this building? This is the Cars. This is Tow Mater. So this one's called what?
Number 1?
Tow Mater.
Tow Mater's towing and salvage.
Oh, well, you're the Tow Mater's towing and salvage. That's kind of sweet. Okay. Okay, Cozy Cone Motel. Bodhi, I bet this looks really sweet at night. Right? Oh, there's Luigi over there. This is awesome.
Where's food? I'm boiling.
Yes, food is this way. Follow the road. So here is the Little Mermaid building. Here we go. Yeah, we can cut across here. Oh, there's laundry room right here. Hair wraps. And the biggest pool. This pool is huge. No water slide because it's a value resort. But it's big. It's got a little splash pad area over there. We'll show more of this later. Here we go. Yeah, we're going. Oh, she's getting a hair wrap. So here's the great big pool. Oh, they got ping pong. And these are the Little Mermaid rooms, which we were supposed to be in, but because it requested skyliner. Ooh, we got a bar. Ooh, they got frozen Jack and Coke and rum and Coke. Ooh, what's the bar called? The Drop Off. It's called Animation Hall. I have the name wrong. Ooh, air conditioning. Let's have a look-see. Here we go. Biggest arcade you've ever seen. Whoa. Apparently our hunger has left our bodies.